I'm sharing a warm, comforting recipe today that's perfect for when you need to relax and recharge. It's my favorite mushroom tofu quinoa bowl. Let's start by dicing the tofu into small cubes. I love using tofu because it's a high-quality, clean protein that helps repair our bodies gently. Slice the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Mushrooms are truly special. They contain a longevity vitamin that protects our cells from the inside out. Finely chop the spring onions. These little greens add such a fresh energy to the dish. Whisk 1 egg in a small bowl. This adds a lovely, silky texture to the final bowl. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a pan over medium-low heat and add the tofu. Once one side is beautifully golden, flip them over and cook until both sides are evenly browned. I tend to take my time here to get that perfect, satisfying texture I love. Pour the whisked egg evenly over the tofu. Add the mushrooms right away and toss them together. When the egg is about 50% cooked, stir in your cooked quinoa. Once the mushrooms are soft, lower the heat and add the soy sauce. Give it one more good stir to let the flavors meld. Turn off the heat and add the sesame oil, spring onions, and a pinch of pepper. The nutty aroma is just incredible. This meal is so rich in umami and depth. While cold bowls are great, I find that a warm bowl like this really helps me relax and find balance. Eat well, feel light.